she was talking to. Why? Because somebody had went and took her, what Shell said, a leg. The arms were already here. I don't forget nothing. So with that being said, was Good Yellow wrong about what he said? There was two different things that was presented. They brought the whole leg with them this time. Can we get a poll up to the moderator? I feel in my spirit that no, it was not the time for Good Yellow's point because the room was already hot. But had that been a topic on any average day, we could have civilly sat and talked about that. We could have talked about what and how it feels to be angry at God when you lose a loved one. But because Glock was, it wasn't the time. That woman stirred the pot by taking a topic that was needed and made it be, oh my God, you curse God. But on any given Sunday, we can spin this same block again without that woman and this be a topic. Respectfully. Because we can talk about it. Have you ever been angry because God allowed for the impossible to be possible in your life? Oh, here go the Bible thumpers and scholars. The poll is up over the hosted section. 697 people still in here. Have you ever found yourself in an impossible situation, but God allowed the possible? You weren't mad? You didn't understand? You didn't want to question after you've been raised by the elders to not question God, and you still found yourself saying, why? There was nothing wrong with what Good Yellow said. She was wrong. Because she took a moment and made it be about what she could not imagine. You never lost a child. Of course you can't imagine. I don't want to imagine what Glock and them felt or what the other mothers feel from losing a child. I don't want to. So she was wrong, not what he said. That's my opinion. It's my opinion. Glock wasn't even ready for that comment at that moment. None of us was. It turned the lie from a positive moment to a moment that I couldn't imagine. I'm like, how did we get to this? And all the mother doing is telling another mother how she wished somebody would have told her not to be angry with God. That woman act like she was telling, Glock was telling that woman, be mad at God. Only 91 votes. I'm disappointed. At least we could have got 95 of the 695,000. 82.42% said Good Yellow wasn't wrong. It wasn't enough votes, but we'll take it. The majority rules. He wasn't. BET made this be bigger because there was already a prior problem that Good Yellow still has not been explained of what he done wrong. Nor anybody in the FOE family. We just respected the fact that Glock didn't want to deal with him no more, and she did not want him to be wearing her badge around. And that was per BET, not Glock.
Right.
With that being said, is BET guilty of spinning a narrative or telling a lie? Or is BET guilty of taking mess back to Glock? I would love for 600 people at least to vote, because I know in my nosy's voice, I know you're watching. BET. I know you're watching BET. And it's time to see what the public has to say. Oh, Star Peters, you missed a case, baby. It was some evidence presented. Is BET guilty of being a liar? BET, it's time to activate while we deactivate your privileges in this IG joint. Kevin, you never answered what BET's punishment should be. I understand, but is there a punishment for BET on your roster? Excuse me. The poll is up. The poll is up. Go vote.
Well, when I came in earlier, I asked if it was an evidentiary hearing or if this was the actual trial for that, and you never gave me a response. I think I asked Judge Shell, so I was kind of confused. But we can definitely come up with punishments after the votes.
Look for the box above Nitra's head. Above hostess head and under Miss Nitra. I don't know what Miss Jackie doing in the comment section other than smoking her cools and being cool. With that being said, Kevin, I think the people are wanting to go ahead and do the sentencing now. Right, people? I think they've asked earlier for the sentencing phase of this trial. I thought we were gonna, do both of them. Okay, yes, they want his ass punished tonight. So we're deactivating cards as we speak, if this poll is what I think it is by saying the yeses. So Kevin, what is your punishment consideration for Mr. Deactivate? I'm messing in a motherfucker, son of a bitch.
Well, being guilty as charged, we recommend that his punishment be at least 30 days of not being able to go into panel to panel as a punishment. And if we
activating,
we're gonna remove the activation cards for 30 days as well. He has no privileges to activate as well, and I'm sure we're gonna have to send out the warrant dogs out to make sure this is complied against, being that he has been banned from the facility of the this here juke joint for those 30 days as well. So we're gonna have to make some concessions on how we can get this relayed to him accordingly. There's also punitive damages that he'll have to pay, at least the Galaxy, to the this here juke joint, and possibly
a Galaxy is too cheap. I be damn. I need to.
Hold one second. You didn't let me finish, Jan. I apologize. I know she's your
sorry.
joint.
Thank you. I'm having whiplash. Let's go.
But this also
I've been hitting the back.
It also appears that he should be at least paying a Galaxy to Good Yellow for catching a stray as well. He has hospital bills that he has to pay, and his legal fees are due as well. So I'm sure the punitive damages should go towards his case as well.
The poll is above host. You have 6 seconds. Somebody missed the poll. Lord have mercy. Probate. Ooh, that was good, Kevin. Thank you. 201 voters. Is BET guilty of taking mess back to Glock? Damn, BET. I'm going to take this. Those that missed the poll, we announced it several times.
At least we got 200 votes, and we don't try to share, throw out, or put people's names out to humiliate them for voting either. We don't do that over here.
Appreciate you for letting them know. 98.51% said BET is guilty of taking mess back to Glock. BET, I know you're watching, and I know you see 98% said that you were guilty. 1.49%, which is probably him on his backup page, said no. We're not going to even consider it. You were wrong, sir. Loud and wrong.
I just want to say that Jess is not having the verdict. She's not having it. She wants execution.
Okay, Judge, do you want to rerun the poll? Or I don't think we should. I think we should allow it to go because the numbers were pretty much the same before. I think 200 is a fair vote from what we have seen with the previous numbers in the past. Some people are just here to be nosy.
Being a former member of the or officer of the court, we did give a little bit of leniency because he has served his community well in the past. Now, this is his first incident that we've encountered. Looking at his record, he hasn't had any other situations like this prior, so we took that in consideration.
Right. So with that being said, we're going to consider these numbers as recorded in today's book. Just if you'll record those numbers, this is good to me, Poker. We hit that nilly. With that being said, is BT fired? Coming cousin jurors. Now it's 719. Can we get 300? Are we firing? I heard him yesterday say he wanted to quit after I fired him. But I think it's time to get another probation officer in this here juju. Are we firing Big BET, the big one, and deactivating his cards as of right now? He couldn't quit because I fired him first. Dragonfly, I can't let him go. He was fired first.
We're going to dishonorably discharge him. That is the correct terminology that we must use. It's called dishonorably
discharge. Duffy, Duffy, order in the court. I'm ready to see fired. Are we firing BET from this here juke jump? Can I get a poll up? Pink Ninja said no. Pink Ninja, you been quiet until now. I don't see ya, girl. We're not. Ain't no more. I'm tired of being lenient. BET is fired. Let's get the poll up and see what the people have to say. I know you love us, Pink Ninja, but listen, he being foul, and we're 2024 ain't no more. So let's get the poll up. I know everybody in their feelings. Let's control yourselves.
Well, Judge,
in the court, control your feelings in here. And my Richter Ruler voice is facts over feelings.
Judge, if I may, we can definitely note on his official records that his employment has been officially terminated in the state of this here juke joint due to the inability to perform his duties as performed.
Oh, he down there now. Now it's time to fire you. You hear?
I got to take this water into my mother's house real quick because she can't carry it.
No, you lied. BET is downstairs inside. Inside, because I'm finna take the man. He said it didn't pay shit no way. Oh, now you got something to say because it didn't pay you enough, huh? I think opportunity is expensive. Hold up. Hear me out in my diamond voice. I think opportunity is like promotion. Huh? I think big content creators allowing people opportunity to sit in their boxes for hours and hours and hours and other people get rotated is a freaking price that you cannot pay somebody back from. Clock it. Because, see, I was already big. I don't know where y'all live my folk were. So I think letting you sit here in AJ box for hours was priceless. Because if my mind served me right, y'all the one said I was big. I say I'm human. Oh, baby, let me see. Y'all the one put big on Nitra. I say I'm human. So opportunity is so valid. 120 votes. Oh God. Are we firing BT and deactivating his activation? 90.83% said yes. 9.17. I told y'all he was here a while ago, didn't I? Probably him. Oh, girl, I love to be right when I'm right. Now, you know you've been here all day. Stop it. He said, thank y'all. Girl, I know you lying. BT, would you like to be heard in the next? This is good to me. Thank you for the gifts, kitten. Y'all missed the poll. I didn't like the votes. Kevin said at least 200 should be considered. So I think we need to redo the poll. We didn't get at least 200. It's 743 people in here. Y'all, I see people saying they missed it. Let's redo the poll. Is BET guilty? And Poker said, let's vote to block him. I'm on the verge.
So you said, is he fired? Not guilty. Is he fired?
You said you're glad to be out our way, but you in the comment section. Lord, make this make sense. You're glad to be out of the way, but yet in the comment section fighting for your dear life. Activate, Nitra. I've never seen a person still there and gone at the same damn time. See, me, when I'm out the way, I'm not in the live still. When I'm happy to be going out somebody's life, I'm not still ringing their doorbell. I don't know. Y'all talk different around here. So, hey, period, poo. I don't know what to be happy for right now. Bitches is gone and still here. Just, I'm confused. Where do I jump at? Where do I start jumping? Because, see, you bitches is leaving me stuck somewhere between the celebration and regret. I don't know what to do in life. Do you hear me? Huh? You don't. What do I do? When do I start jumping? When you really leave and we don't see you in the comment section no more? Or when you're still here but you gone? You're out the way but you're coming. I be damned. This is good to me. Let me tell y'all what it looked like in real life, not TikTok. In real life, when you're really done with people, you don't show up for dinner. You don't know what they put in your drink. But you bitches still, girl, y'all got knives in their back and dancing with them. What is going on? Where is Evelyn when you need her? Girl, where is Evelyn? Share the lie, tell the lie to Evelyn. Because her comments really be making me pissy right about now. When I'm done, I'm done. You're not going to know I'm there and I'm still done. Girl! The votes went down lower. No, they came up a little. Are we firing BT and deactivating his activation? 94.41. Oh, girl, you better leave it alone. 5.59 this time. You're out of there, buddy. Oh, Just said bye-bye. Just one more time for the people that didn't see it in the back. Okay. She be ready to get rid of y'all, baby. Just said she can't. Girl, when I tell, girl, all they got to do is mention to Just that somebody did something. She said, oh, I'm blocking them. I'm blocking every page they got. Bye-bye for now. This is good to me. Well, I guess after... Let's get the punishment up. BT, you're guilty. We're moving on. We know you're here, but stay until you get the punishment phase over with. I need the moderator. The punishment for him tonight, as we're up to the sentencing phase of Mr. Activate, God damn it, son of a bitch. As we, girl, whoa, child. As we make it through the summer bitch portion of this court, because this here how you jump. What are we giving this summer bitch? Okay? Is the summer bitch getting a box chair? Summer bitch. Are we giving him the box shirt for life? Are we deactivating his cards? Are we taking the some of bitches' cards? I'm sick of you, some of them. Are we taking the cards from him? The box shirt taking the cards. Will he's already fired. He's gone. Baby, he fired. We got to get he fired. So do y'all have one more that y'all, Kevin, what did you say? Oh, will he pay galaxies to the judge? This is Audrey Jones. And to Good Yellow because he went and threw something to Glock. Y'all always know that a public apology comes to with every sentencing. So he has to apologize anyway.
That is the recommendation.
It don't matter if he paid, it's going to go in the court's records. Let's get that overstood. Okay? He ain't got to pay, but it's documented.
Your Honor, that is the recommendation. Seeking restitution could be a struggle. You know, we've had many flee the country to escape. They went, you know, to states where we couldn't do extraditing. So unfortunately, we have to deal with that when it comes up. Okay.
So with that being said, box chair, deactivate his cards. We know an apology comes with each one of them. And 2 galaxies, I do think he should give to the court regardless. Okay, so with that being said, we already know he's fired. So there's 2 more. Let's get that up in the thing, and then court will be adjourned, and we will have open discussion, and then y'all can go away. That wasn't supposed to be here, no way. And we'll be back tomorrow with the remainder of the cases. Are we doing tomorrow, Tuesday? I think tomorrow's a holiday. I'm barbecuing and sitting on my porch. If I come live, I come live. Tuesday, we'll go back to court proceedings. Or are we still stuck on once a week? Judge?
You have Blaze and Aubrey that we did not get to today.
So y'all want to do that Tuesday?
Sure, we should have been did that.
Kevin, are we doing that Tuesday?
Unfortunately, we would have to. Tomorrow is a federally recognized holiday, so the judicial system will be closed.
Before Bryson said block him. So should we put on there, Mandy, that we're blocking him? Just y'all, should he be blocked from the FOE family for now?
Yeah.
Billy said, oh, they said block him. Oh, they said block you, BT. Dang, man. Oh, they said, oh, Poker said you dishonest and man. These people want you blocked. Golly, Tasha said, yeah. Oh, Carlene said 30 days. Oh, you know what? Miss Jackson, they want you blocked. They want you blocked. Dang. The poll is up, and I think my finger's getting ready to block. Oh, Bubba, we know you want to give him a chance.
Hey, I want to put.
He gave you several. Bubba, we know you want to give him a chance because you got several. You're still on probation, Bubba.
Auntie, can you hear me?
Is one ran.
Auntie, can you hear me, Auntie? I want to put Kevin Brown on the docket for catfishing us. That's his profile picture. He dark skinned, but when he go live, he light skinned. So I want to put Kevin Brown on.
Bro, I ain't catfishing.
on his profile picture, we thought he was dark skinned. When he get live, he light skinned.
My profile is light skinned, big dog.
Oh,
I'm not
okay.
light skinned. I'm just tan complected.
I gotta look again.
Yeah, I'm tan complected. That's all. Not light skinned.
Yeah, you my color. Yeah, you my color. Yeah.
But Your Honor, I will make a suggestion though. We can't give life sentences to everyone